Hello lovely, how are you all? Today I'm going to solve for you the practice and the problem solving for add and subtract fractions part 2 with a different denominator. On number 6 we have I add 1 over third plus 1 over 6. Here we have different denominator. I have here 3 and 6. Let's use another way to solve this question by write an equivalent fraction for 1 over 3. What is the meaning of equivalent fraction? Can I change 6 to make it 3? No, of course, but I can change 1 over 3 to make it 6. How? By multiply the numerator and the denominator by 2. Now 1 times 2 is 2 and 3 times 2 is 6. Now I write 2 over 6 plus 1 over 6, which is equal to 2 plus 1 is a 3, and I keep 6 as it is. That is by write an equivalent fraction. For number 8 we have 1 over 6 plus 5 over 12. Can I change 12 to make it 6? No, but I can change 6 to make it 12 by multiply the numerator and the denominator by 2 to write an equivalent fraction for 1 over 6. Now 1 times 2 is 2 and 6 times 2 is 12 plus 5 over 12, which is equal to 5. 2 plus 5 equal to 7, and I keep 12 as it is. Let's go to subtract. Same thing. Here we have for number 10. 4 over 5 minus 1 over 10. Now I'm gonna write an equivalent fraction for 4 over 5 by multiply the numerator and the denominator by 2. Now 4 times 2 is 8 and 5 times 2 is 10 minus 1 over 10, which is equal to 8 minus 1 is 7, and I keep 10 as it is. So let me to learn you another way for add and subtract fractions, which is so easy. Here I have 4 times 8. I'm gonna multiply 4 by 8. Okay, I'm gonna multiply the denominator. 4 times 8 equal what? Equal to 32. Okay, and then I'm gonna multiply 3 by 8. 3 times 8, which is equal what? Equal to 24. Okay, so I write here 24. And 1 times 4 equal what? Equal to 4. Now I'm gonna add 24 plus 4 equal what? Equal to 28, and I keep 32 as it is. Okay, you can do it in this way, or by write an equivalent fraction, or by find a least common denominator as you like. Here we have 16. I keep 16 as it is, and 13 minus 4, which is equal to 9. Here also we can use it this way by multiply 4 times 12. Now 4 times 2 is 8, and 4 times 1 is 4. Now I can multiply 11 times 4 equal to what? 44. And 3 times 12 equal to what? 3 times 2 is 6, and 3 times 1 is a 3. Now I'm gonna write 44 here minus 36, which is equal to what? I keep 48 here, and 44 minus 36. Now 14 minus 6 equal to 8. And 3 minus 3 is just 0. So I get 8 over 48. Okay. have add and subtract, then write the answer in simplest form. Here we have 1 over 5 plus 3 over 10. I'm gonna write equivalent fraction for 1 over 5 by multiply the numerator and the denominator by 2. Okay, now 1 times 2 is 2 and 5 times 2 is 10 plus 3 over 10, which is equal to 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, and I keep 10 as it is. Now, how I'm gonna write this fraction in simplest form? By divide the numerator and the denominator by number 5. Now, 5 divided by 5 equal to 1, and 10 divided by 5, which is equal to 2. Here also we have, I'm gonna write equivalent fraction for 3 over 4 by multiply the numerator and the denominator by number 3. Why 3? To make it a 12. Now I'm gonna write 1 over 12 plus 3 times 3 is 9 and 4 times 3 is 12. Now I'm gonna add 1 plus 9 equal to 10, and I keep 12 as it is. Now how I change this fraction? I write it in simplest form. Simplest form, which is mean divide the numerator and the denominator by common number between 10 and 12, which is 2. Okay, now 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5, and 12 divided by 2 equal to 6, and so on. You can solve all examples in this way. I hope you understand. Thank you.